moment. Day number 2 of the Journey Weekend in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. Amazing, wonderful children, all learning amazing things. They're very cooperative. They're well behaved beyond that. They're all connected, and you know what? Most of them want social impact as part of their success strategy. 99% of them are looking to attend college, but not only to attend college to learn and grow, but to also extract information that they can bring back to their island. They want to start a movement, a social impact movement. And one of the things I tell young people is be ready for the Social Impact Challenge in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, where we're going to teach students to think of innovation, creativity, entrepreneurship, and technology, and come up with ideas that impact this community, this country. Day 2 of the BIZNOVATOR Journey Weekend in Port-au-Prince. It's been fantastic. Gotta go. See you later.